I thought we talked about this. You don't have to take this anymore. Winston's message wasn't meant for you. This isn't your fight. Papa told me after so many years of service, you gave Overwatch your everything, and then they just pushed you out. Why would you go back to them?
So, that's it. You're leaving us.
I have been called. I must answer. It is a great honor.
Disappear into some secret organization. Give the glory of being a crusader? I don't think so. Oh, he wishes he got picked. It is our motto, defenders of Germany. People will be singing songs about our legacies.
Our legacies are our deeds. And
Eye roll.
this war is bigger than all of us.
That's the East, they're coming!
Alright, everyone. They're playing a song. So can your dance partners? Let's crack it.
Stick, old man.
Live with honor.
Die with glory.
We work as one. Fire!
I love the wind in my hair.
Go back and protect your team.
They're just slowing me down. Besides, they're fine. Boom. Boom. Ow! That is mine!
Profanity Reinhardt! Reinhardt! More you stings! Go back to the rally point. I'll get Reinhardt.
I had this.
Obviously. They're cutting us off. Let's move. Those barriers won't hold. Go back into your unit. I'll hold them off.
Unless you have all the glory, we will find our way back together.
No. I'm staying.
You.
They did it! You took an oath to be a crusader. Now, keep it.
I won't leave you.
Our team needs you. Be that. Lardard, leave with honor.
Shink.
Die with glory, old friend.
There is failing!
I have been called. I must answer. Always.
Holy crap!